In this video, let's learn how to make a ganache for filling in your molded chocolates. This recipe has some different sugars and each sugar has a specific role to play. Let's get started. Sorbitol has a lesser sweetening power, hence adding it won't make the ganache excessively sweet. Invert sugar helps in keeping the ganache moist even after a few days. The liquid glucose helps in preventing the crystallization of the ganache and gives the ganache a slightly stretchy feel. We have the scale recipe ready and we'll start by heating the cream and sugars together. Once the cream and sugars are boiled, we are going to pour it over our chopped chocolate or chocolate calyx. Once the ganache reaches a temperature between 35 to 38 degrees Celsius, add your unsalted soft butter and blend it. Make sure there are no lumps of butter inside. Once the ganache reaches a temperature of 25 to 27 degrees Celsius, it's ready and now you can fill it in your chocolate shells. To make a similar ganache with milk chocolate, take 500 grams of cream and 750 grams of chopped milk chocolate. And to make a similar ganache with white chocolate, take 500 grams of cream and 1 kg of chopped white chocolate. The rest of the process remains the same and the ratios for the sugars are also the same.